All right, folks. Joanne Richards with Look There. All right. I told the next guest that I have nothing to say now, but I changed my mind. So our next guest is all about making curry-flavored meals. And this morning she'll be giving us a few ideas on how to spruce up your curry dish. Well, she's not going to do anything at all because she don't even want to talk to me. She's the founder of Curry Up, Misha Earl. Morning, Misha. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. You're a photographer, aren't you?
Currently, yes.
So how a photographer end up with Curry Up?
But it started really because I am a big foodie, love food. Friends will tell you they love to come to my house for food. So I cook all kinds of cuisines. The curry now is, I just happen to be able to somehow manage the spices for the Indian curries. So I just carry down that line.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Before you leave, you must tell me where you live, so you come for the food. You mentioned specifically Indian curry. What's the difference with Jamaican curry and Indian curry?
Right, we just want to clarify though that in terms of the business, I do both Jamaican curries and Indian curries.
Well, what's the difference?
The primary difference is that our curry powder has essentially turmeric, which we all know, and we have a little cumin normally in ours, and maybe a little fenugreek. Indian curries have way more spices. So this morning's dish is a little simple for Indian curry as it goes. But there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 curries. Spices for this curry. In the one curry, yes. Sometimes you get even 17 spices.
And that makes it what? Hotter, as in?
Actually, no. Most of the spices are not for heat. They have chili peppers that they use, the green ones and the red ones. But most of them are just different flavor components, whether it be heat, bitterness, sour. Yeah.
I'm asking now, so you get a different taste? You get a different taste with the Jamaican curry as opposed to the Indian curry?
Yes.
Which one you prefer to cook with?
I don't prefer, look at my hand shaking. I like them both equally.
Oh.
I love our Jamaican curry chicken, I love our curry goat. This is butter shrimp I'm making today, by the way.
You're making buttered shrimp?
Butter shrimp, yes. That's the into that.
For me?
For you.
Okay, thank you.
So, this is definitely too hot now. All right. So what they do sometimes, they roast the spices in oil. Yeah. That's cumin. Yeah. Cinnamon. Look at the hand shaking. Yeah. Bay leaves. Bay leaves. Yeah. This is cloves, cardamom, and I don't want to touch that right now.
So that looks like sugar.
Excuse me. There is sugar. Yeah. This dish does require. So Indian food is really about a balance. We need onions now. Indian food is about balancing everything. The same.
Misha, plenty onion that there, you know?
No man, that's what, you know, the Indian gravies, I don't know if you know them, but you will see shortly. They are very, I don't want to put that yet. I'm going to put my chilies in, the green ones, red ones. All right, so we're all familiar with our turmeric. We all know we need to cook our turmeric. Same with Indian when they're doing their curries too. So I'll get this off the flame.
That's the only amount of curry you put in there?
Remember now, you're thinking of the curry as the turmeric. Right. Where Indian curries are not just about the turmeric. You see, remember all the spices I just put in before?
Okay.
Right, so this dish is a little longer than our slot now, so I have trying to condense it a little bit. It'll all come together soon.
Good.
This tomato.
I hand stop shape, right?
Well, good, that's a good thing, right? All right, it's cashews. Whoops. All right.
Cashew.
Yeah. Yep. Here we have a ginger, so we put ginger and garlic in our curries too. They do, but they tend to put in a paste at times. So this is a mixture of ginger and garlic. While you do that, you don't have a physical space, right? You deliver or what? Yes, we deliver just now. Okay. It might expand into a super delivery business or a shop and delivery business. So if I want this stuff, what I do? I just call you. How much time I give you? I want to say half an hour, but I don't want to disappoint people. But I'm delivering just now in the Iron Shore, the airport side of Montego Bay. Okay. Between Holiday Inn and Bottom Road, as Montego as well know. I just put in some sugar, by the way, and some salt. Why the sugar? It balances, like I said. It's going to balance the meat. There's a lot of pepper. Some of the spice would have some bitter notes. Yeah. All right, so at this stage, how much time do we have, by the way? I don't want to... We have about 3 minutes. Okay, that's not. Let's go and cook, man. All right, so at this point, this would obviously cook this a little longer, and then. What is a little longer? I never timed it really, but I imagine it would be maybe 5-6 minutes more of this. Yeah. Softening up everything a bit more. All right, so we're not going to do that today because time issue. So.
Hold on now, so you can eat.
No, man, hold on now, because I made one. What I want to explain now. This now would be put in a blender.
Yeah.
Very powerful blender, obviously, to deal with the spices and everything.
Yeah.
Get in a puree.
Crush up the cashew and stuff.
Everybody blend up, and this is really what it looks like. This is now this same thing blended up into a very, and it's put through a sieve as well. My hand's still shaking, man.
Don't stop shaking like that. Actually, you don't want to give me the food. You know.
I'm waiting for time. Are we okay?
So this is this crush.
Yes. Yep. Pureed. I mean, you can't use an ordinary blender for that. It has to be powerful enough to blend everything.
Yeah, so crush and pureed are the same thing.
No. So you can have, when you crush an item, you can have big amounts of the item as opposed to a smooth. Look at it, it's like baby food.
Yeah, and then what?
All right, so this gravy now can actually be used for anything. You can use for vegetables, seafood, chicken, anything you like. The shrimp, I had some turmeric and salt on it, and the salt and just seared them. I don't know if you can see it.
We want to know.
No man, I'm gonna put the shrimp in there.
Hold on, you say you had turmeric and salt. Then turmeric and salt now in a place already.
Yeah, I didn't say that a while ago.
That's what you just say. You say you had turmeric and salt. That's what you said.
No, you're trying to mess with me now, man. So the shrimp are pre-cooked. So now essentially this is basically ready. It's a very rich dish, it's not a dish you want to have. But this is now full cream. How are we doing for time?
That though, you are fine, man.
This is not going to make it very luxurious, of course. What doesn't cream do? See, look at it. You can see that's about 5 million calories, but it's all good. Plate this up.
All right, tell me now, what else you do so if somebody's want to order stuff from?
Right, really. So we have at least 4 curries every day. We have
4 curries every day.
Right. I mean, and I do, we mix things up from time. But definitely we have our Jamaican curry chicken. I use a ram goat, local ram goat. We have a typical Jamaican seasoning, not like this.
So you have foreign ram goat when it's local.
I know, right?
You have a foreign one.
Wait, no man, we're gonna make this pretty now.
What is now?
Fail. Wait, no man, it's a style for the TV.
Oh, that's luxury. That's the luxury.
And then we put a little cilantro to finish.
You're such a show out.
Look at that. It should be on TV. There you go. There you go. If you don't like it, just please pretend that you do anyway. Okay?
No man, I mean like it. Don't worry.
Can I go now?
No. So again, take me through it again. So this would be crushed to this.
Into the pure, yes, into that.
Right.
The butter gravy, they would call it.
Butter gravy.
Yeah.
So, all right, we can see this. So, we can see
it's so pretty.
It is very pretty, and it's mine.
I say so myself.
And it's mine. So, tell me again now. So, if I want to order stuff from you, where I call, what time I call? It's just lunch alone, you know?
Lunch and dinner.
Lunch and dinner.
Right. So it's 4612523. Instagram, it's at CurryUpJM.
Okay.
Yes.
That's right here. At CurryUpJM.
That's right, yes.
She can't see it because she took off her glasses. I wonder if she cooked the right things.
I know, right?
Yep, so they give you how much time, seriously? I have to call like the day before, or I can call the same day?
No, man, you can call the same day for sure. Yes.
So
and the idea is for it to get, of course, faster and faster, because I really want people to.
So what time I can call for lunch? Like?
You start calling from about 10 to 11:30.
Okay.
Prior to make the rush, I'd like people to get their lunch in time.
Yeah.
So if it's somewhat pre-ordered. I mean, I do on the fly too, but ideally if it's pre-ordered, then they can definitely have it ready. In the evenings by 4.
But that's
4:30, right? I can deliver between 5 and 6.
Yeah, man.
And look forward to the shop. There will be a shop.
Yeah, but it's not only curry though.
In this business, for now, yes.
So curry up is only curry.
Right, Jamaican curries, authentic Jamaican curries, and Indian style curries.
Fantastic. Good to meet you. Good to see you.
Thank you so much. You made me feel very comfortable. Thank you.
Be safe going back down.
Thank you.
And her daughter is also here. She didn't like her movie. She's the founder of Curry Up Jamaica, Misha Earl. All right, so we're going to take a break, folks, and we'll come back. Not much more. I don't know if you're going to come here eat up all of this. And we're going to work again. What?
I like it. It's delicious.